you don't have the money for one of those systems right now, then you've got 4 days left to sign up for my friend Jen Lerner's. She's got a 3-day live interactive workshop that you're not going to want to miss, because she tells you how to grow and scale your business using VAs really inexpensively, right? And it's not one of those pretend live events. It's like a live event. And here's why you want to be there. So the event is all about applying proven systems and high performance strategies that leverage your time and productivity so that you're working smarter and not harder. And that's what we all kind of want, right? And so Jen is also giving you her framework for scaling her business, for scaling your business rather, by 3x, right, in the next 90 days or less. Now, how nice is that? Wouldn't that be great? Especially if you don't have a big list budget or email list. Ding, 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 right, for some of you, right? Here's what you're gonna learn. Day one is how you can step into the role of really being a CEO, a chief executive officer, not a chief everything officer, right? So that you can finally experience the freedom that you've been seeking all this time, that quite frankly you know that you really deserve, right? On day 2, you're going to find out about the exact processes and frameworks that you need to scale your business. And on day 3, you're going to learn go through 2 powerful exercises that'll take you from being stuck and overwhelmed to having a clear path forward to grow your business and to build your dream team, right? So you get all of the live trainings in the 3-day workshop, and it's going to get you on the journey forward to just freedom and outsourcing and scaling and building and growing. So Jen has actually doubled her income every year for the last decade by doing half the work each and every single year, just by growing and scaling her team, right? So it's a 4-week program that's basically going to take you from being the bottleneck in your business to a CEO who runs on true systems, right? A little bit about Jen. So she's in digital marketing and she's a systems strategist, right? And like I was saying, since 2003, she's doubled her revenue every single year while working half the time by outsourcing and being smarter, right? Working smarter, not harder. She is an author, a course creator, university professor of digital marketing, and her Front Row CEO program teaches entrepreneurs how to outsource and create systems in their business without breaking the bank or pulling their hair out. That's why I'm wearing a hat. Just kidding, right? So her business teachings have been featured on media outlets like Fast Company, Social Media Examiner, Agents of Change, Simply Measured, Gary Vaynerchuk's Daily V, and Apple News. So this is the way the program works. Front Row CEO is a 4-week program designed to turn the overwhelmed entrepreneur into a true CEO who runs a systems-based business. Now, again, like I keep saying, how nice would that be, right? Instead of being scattered and all over the place. So the course includes Module 1, laying the groundwork, okay? So just laying the groundwork. Module 2, outsourcing. What is it? How do you do it? Blah, 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 blah. Module 2.5, the rest of the hiring process. So, there's hiring and finding people, and then we want to go a level deeper. So I like that. That's so cute. Module 2.5. Module 3 is awesome onboarding and day-to-day magic. And Module 4 is the systems that set you free, which includes done-for-you templates and workbooks. Plus, you get 4 live coaching calls, tech tutorials to help you out, and you get access to the community and a private Facebook group. Jen's also got 3 really amazing bonuses. So the first one is a step-by-step tutorial. Sorry about that. So as I was saying, Jen's got 3 really amazing bonuses for you, right? The first one, bonus number 1, is a step-by-step tutorials and templates on the microsystems that Jen uses in her very own business. That's valued at $1,000. The second bonus is her VA leadership membership community, right? So after you get your perfect VA, that VA is going to be invited into a VA leadership and mentorship community for 1 year that's specifically designed for the VA, where they can ask questions from Jen's own rockstar VA team, her virtual assistants, via regular live streams, Q&As, trainings, all aimed at helping to up-level your business by creating the best VA possible. So it's that nice support system. So it's not just like some virtual assistant on Fiverr who's, you know, managing lots of stuff. There's a community that they can ask questions and get support. So I love them. And even after that, right, there's a graduation bonus, right? So let Jen train your VA. How amazing would that be after all of her years experience, and again, doubling her income while working half the time, and showing your VA how to work like her VA so that you can have the same outcome. That's amazing, right? So you guys will be given a special access code to her signature front row VA, right? You're going to be the front row CEO once you get involved in this program, the free 3-day workshop and live interactive workshop where you can ask questions, get advice, stuff like that. I'm so excited to attend myself. And the course is filled with common onboarding training that the VA is really going to get needed to start and be really efficient and help you in the best way that they can. So the course is hosted on Kajabi, and all students receive a lifetime access to the course content and all bonuses. So you don't want to miss it. You're going to register with the link below, and I'm going to see you there. And not only there, I'm going to see you at the top, because that's where we're going with this program.